Welcome to this micro-credential module, Introduction to Telecommunications, Computer Networks, and Wireless Technology. I am Dr. Azlina Bujang, your instructor for this micro-credential module. We live in an era where connecting with someone on the other side of the planet is as easy as tapping a screen. Have you ever wondered how a WhatsApp message reaches your friend instantly? How Zoom meetings work across continents? Or how you can watch a TikTok content hosted thousands of kilometers away? What actually makes this possible? It all starts with telecommunication. Today, we will explore what telecommunication is, how computer networks work, how the internet operates, wireless technologies that make watching YouTube videos possible. In this module, we are diving into telecommunications networks. By the end of this session, you will be able to identify the principal components of these networks and key networking technologies. We will also recognize the different types of networks. We will explore the internet and the World Wide Web, as well as the internet services and communication tools. Let's break the word telecommunication down. Tele is a Greek word meaning far away or at a distance. Communicate comes from Latin meaning to share or transmit information. By combining these words, it becomes sharing information over long distances, which is made possible through the use of technology. We are currently seeing two massive trends shaping this industry. The first trend is convergence, where more people are migrating to data-only communication. Today, we make fewer traditional phone calls and rely much more on WhatsApp, FaceTime video calls, or conference calls. The second major trend is wireless broadband. Essentially, every technology is turning wireless wherever possible while still offering very fast data speed. So what is the driving force behind all these current telecommunication advancements? The short answer is the computer network. But what exactly is that? Simply put, a computer network is when two or more computers connected to one another via wired or wireless connections. Every simple computer network relies on major components to function. Computers like your laptop, desktop, tablet, or smartphone are networking devices, and connection mediums which can be wired or wireless. Let's take a closer look at the networking devices. A modem converts between different types of signals used in different communication systems. A router is the most important device. A router creates the boundary of a local area network, LAN, and acts as the gateway to connect to nearby LANs. A switch adds more connection points for computers to connect to a LAN. A wireless access point, WAP, is a type switch with wireless LAN, commonly called Wi-Fi capability. If you are wondering why you have never bought all of these individually, it is because a typical consumer home Wi-Fi device already has all these networking devices combined into a single unit. First, it starts with a single person, then a room, a city, and the whole world. Networks are not one size fits all, they are categorized by their physical size. The smallest is a personal area network, PAN, which is a small computer network that surrounds a user's body. Example of PAN are Wi-Fi hotspots and Bluetooth. Next size up is the local area network, LAN. A LAN is a computer network that is confined to a room or small building. Next is campus area network, CAN, which spans multiple buildings within the same compound and consists of multiple LANs. A metropolitan area network, MAN, is a computer network that covers a town or city, for example, the cellular network used for your phone. Lastly is Wide Area Network, WAN. WAN is the largest in size, and the WAN basically the internet. How does these networks work in a large organizations? When we look at networks in large organizations, they get incredibly complex. They include multiple LANs, wireless LANs, powerful servers, internal telephone networks, and VoIP networks. To connect all these networks, we use different transmission media. Wired media like twisted pair cables, optical fiber, and coaxial cables tend to be very high speed, up to 100 gigabits per second. On the other hand, wireless media like cellular, satellite, and Wi-Fi have slightly slower speeds, around 10 gigabits per second for 5G. The key technology operating modern computer networks is the client-server model. Normal users act as client computers that connect to a server, and the server stores and sends the data requested. To keep everything organized, each user or client is identified by an IPv4 or IPv6 address, while servers are identified by URLs. This infrastructure allows us to access services like the World Wide Web, Gmail, WhatsApp, Zoom, VoIP, and VPNs. Finally, the explosion of these internet services is largely due to the wireless revolution. Cellular technology had evolved from 2G GSM to 4G LTE into today's 5G, with 6G coming soon. Meanwhile, Wi-Fi provides wireless LAN access, Bluetooth enables short-range personal networking with earbuds and smartwatches. RFID and its successor NFC enables identification, tracking of objects, and contactless payments. From a simple Bluetooth connection around your personal workspace to the satellite in the sky and massive submarine cables crisscrossing our oceans, telecommunications and computer networks form the central nervous system of our modern society. Thank you for watching, and stay connected.